Top 6 Mini Refrigerator for Office. Discover the best products for your lifestyle. We've curated the top selections just for you. Number 6. Aero Slimline Drink Dispenser for Fridge, 3-gallon. Plastic beverage dispenser with spigot, space-saving design with handle, ideal for water, juice, and iced tea, BPA-free, made in USA. Check out this product. Number 5. LocknLock Aqua Fridge Door Water Jug Clear Pitcher BPA-free plastic pitcher with lid 1-gallon pitcher with lid for water, juice, tea, and more beverages, clear. Check out this product. Number 4. Display Technologies Visi-FAST Spring Push Drink Dispenser, refrigerator organizers and storage for 12 16-ounce beverages, bottles, and cans, drink dispenser for fridge, commercial, and home, pack of 1. Check out this product. Number 3. Drink Organizer for Fridge, Soda Can Dispenser for Refrigerator, Automatic Drink Dispenser for Fridge, holds up to 25 cans, 5-row. Check out this product. Number 2. Mini Fridge Stand with Storage, Small Refrigerator Stand with 2 drawers, Mini Fridge Shelf Cabinet Max Load 300 pounds Heavy Microwave Stand Mini Fridge Cart for Dorm, Apartment, Kitchen, Black. Check out this product. Number 1. 2-pack Drink Organizer for Fridge, Self-Pushing Fridge Drink Organizer, Self-Pushing Soda Dispenser for Refrigerator, Automatic Drink Dispenser for Fridge, holds up to 50 cans, 10 rows. Check out this product. Thanks for watching. Check the links in description to find these products on Amazon.